How to convert Facebook account into page. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you through on how we can convert our Facebook account to page. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can turn your Facebook account into page into your mobile device, just launch your Facebook application and simply log in into your account. After that, you just need to head over to your profile. You may just simply click on your profile right here. After that, you'll be able to find your profile. So in order to convert your Facebook into a page, you can see right here I have friends, which means if I convert my profile into a page, my friends will be converted into followers. So in order to do that, you just need to tap on this three dot beside this edit profile. Just tap on it and you'll be able to find this option called turn on professional mode. But in order to do that, you just need to turn off this lock profile option on. If you have any kind of lock profile option on your account, you're just gonna unlock your profile. And after unlocking your profile, you're gonna go on with the process of turning on the professional mode onto your account. So just refresh your account after you have done that and head over, just go to the three dot and you'll be finding this turn on professional mode. Just turn it on, tap on confirm, turn it on. After that, go on with the process of turning your account into professional mode. You may just customize or select anything right here. You select your audience. After that, confirm it, and after that is done, after everything is set up here, you're just gonna get back to your page and refresh your page and your professional account should be created. Along with that, your account will be converted into a page as well. So you can see my friends has been removed and they have been turned into followers right here. So that's how you basically convert your account into a page by following this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.